Good morning to Inti Zulkifli bin Maslan and Puan Sohini binti Sulaiman. Our project name will be Quick Trackdown Device. My name is Kartipri. My metric number will be 2119. Since 1987 till now, our country, Malaysia, is unstoppable with the women harassment. To help this helpless situation, we have found a project named Quick Trackdown Device. As you can see, nowadays technology has become an handy device. Nowadays, there is no object without a box. So we have implemented something easy and flexible for women's rescue by putting a small button on the device. Problem statement and the problem solving method is, previously they have created this kind of device by sending the location to the normal message app with using GSM, which will use SIM card. What if that moment, emergency moment, the SIM card is can't be used? So that's why the upgraded device to have a deeper. By pressing the button on the device, immediately it will send alert message to email like I need help together with their current location, which will be tracked by GPS. This way also helps the rescuers and family members to find the victim easily.
My name is Malakodi. My metric number is 2006. So now I'm going to explain about the objective. So there's three main objectives: to design easy to use personal safety gadgets. So it can uniquely feature the importance of the safety and the security. The second one is to develop an extra helping handy device. So it's require human intervention for activating the device, such as pressing the button after sensing the danger. So the third one is to test the efficiency of the device, that we propose a solution which will try to overcome the disadvantage of the existing system. So the next is scope. There's two types of scope: user scope and system scope. The user scope is to use the present technology for enhancing social welfare by providing a low-cost device for timely and reliable communication. The system scope will be to implement a women's safety device for future backup. So it has the ability to bring a good impact on the community and encloses various dimensions like programming, hardware designing. Also, a low cost mechanism for timely and needful communication is ensured. So the fifth one is project significance. That's for project significance. The first one is to reduce the women harassment cases. It's to prevent. It's a kind of prevention of crimes and hazards from a major part in the development of a nation. The second one, the alert message and the location will be notified to the person whose email that has been registered. The third one is to provide tracking solution by IP address for the rescuer to keep tracking the victim's location. So, but it is using by the longitude and latitude in the outdoor by the use of GPS to track the exact location of the incident. Finally, provide a button for the victim to be clicked easily, which it will alert and notify the rescuer.
I'm Dharma Rubini. Metric number is 202116. So now I'm talking about literature review. Okay, we have found the three similar projects to our project. So the names are the stated above. So the three previous projects that I've created, they are using GSM and GPS and also microcontroller. In our project, we have using ESP266 and GPS together, but without using GSM. So it will send alert messages location to our Wi-Fi, and it will send to our Gmail. And then the second one is we have in previous project, they have created temperature sensor that will attach on the device that we created. And then they also have been put trigger key on the, maybe they have been created in a watch as well. So in our project, we have provided push button to press in an emergency condition, which the push button can be attached in any accessories the woman can wear and comfortable with, in which they can wear anywhere they want to go. So about GPS, in previous project, the GPS will be sent to the receiver through a longitude and latitude form. And then also they have been sent using Gmail as well. In our project, we have sent to our Gmail. And then the Gmail will be, they will click on Gmail address and it will show that message as well in the Gmail. And then we will go to the Google Map. And then the cost planning is altogether we have bought 7 components together to our cost planning. So this is the cost planning that, so we have buy GPS 3 because we having a problem to connect it. So this is all together. So the cost is 177 and 20 cents.
So now I'm going to show you the output of our project.
Hello everyone. So this is the circuit board of our project today. So you can see here, this is the GPS, Neo6M GPS tracker. So and then this is the ESP8266 Wi-Fi module that I've already connected with my laptop to run the coding. So here we have a button, so with the resistor and some jumper wires to the connections. So this is our coding. So you can see here, this is our coding. If this coding is uploaded without any error, then the the GPS will blink like this. So you can see the GPS is blinking. So this circuit board is no error and it's done. So now we have to use a software which name is Blink. So I'm going to click it. So the Blink app. So I've already named create a new project, quick track down device. So for this we have to buy an email. So from here you can buy an email. So I've already installed it. So you can see here. So from here we have to set a rescuer's email. So I've already set it. And now after that we have to click the play button. Play button. So it's already played. After we click the play button over the Blink app, we have to click the button over here to send the email. So I'm clicking it. So I've already clicked. So now I'm going to see the Blink. I'm going to check out the email. So you can see here the Blink app already send a message. I'm Mala here and I'm in trouble. This is my location. Please help me. Please come fast. Is the alert message. We can set it to anything. So you can see the Blink app. I've already sent the IP address. So all what we have to do is to browse it. So now I'm going to browse it. So I already paste it. So I'm going to check it. So it's searching. Okay, this is the output. So GPS interfacing with Node MCU, location details. So you can see here latitude address, longitude address, and date and the time. So here we have one option to check the location in Google Maps. So I'm going to click it. So if you click here, you can see the Google map of the location, the victim's location. So with the longitude and latitude, with the address. So you can see even the photos over the Google map. So that's all for now. Thank you.
Conclusion. So, the proposed women safety device aims at proving a complete security to women in current scenarios. So, the testing and the verification of the hardware was performed and the proper functioning is ensured as the alert message is sent successfully to the registered email, which is the rescuer, like family members and also friends. So, this project will help the woman never feel helpless in any situation by themselves. While the society may or may not change its mindset, but this device will help to feel the woman to independent. Thank you.